And I'm back at the museum, and now we're looking at the Crown Engine 51. There's the front, and I'll just repeat what I did with the La France. But there are posts in the way, so you might get up close and personal as I shift around them and go around. So there we go. We'll see if we can get a good view. And I know I'm trying to move slowly, but that's not natural for me. So there you go. You see from Stoker's view, captain's seat, Stoker's seat, and back down to talk about open to the weather here. Here's Marco's. I didn't know that there was anything down there. Interesting. Handles and makes you wonder what they keep in there. Probably access to the engine, right? Of course. And more equipment. And please don't touch sign. Stoker's dials. Wow, there's a lot, isn't there? Here we go. Up close and personal as best I can, and I'm trying to go slow. Really, I am. But, you know, wow. Oh, look at that. Anyway. This is as best as I can do. Up there. And around back. Some interesting things. I don't think I ever noticed that before. Huh. Now I'm gonna have to look on the show. And the back. No sitting on this bumper. There you go. They managed to find some axes. I know they've been looking for show quality. There's the booze bed and and then we go around the corner to the other side, Chet's side, the cap side, with all the ladders and everything. And I know, again, I'm probably going too fast, even though I feel like I'm going really slow. Right? Ladders. And, oh look, hose clamp. Sorry. I'm easily amused, okay? Ooh, and lots of can lighting. And right into Chet's seat. Pretty kind of tight for space there. Really, you know, lightly. There we go. And back around. And this is where you go for caps. And the front from seatbelts.
What are these fire trucks?
And there you go, the cab from Cap's point of view. And we're back to the front. And I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the Crown Engine 51. And we'll get back to you on my next visit. Bye.